What is up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today we got some good news that came out. But before that, if you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe to the channel. Also, if you got some groups, share this video because you definitely going to want to do that. Also, thumbs up and then click that bell icon and select all. That way you get notified anytime I go live or I drop a video on YouTube. But here it is right here on your screen. You got 4 different devices. The ones in lime green right here, you could pretty much go online or you can go into the store, Walmart, and actually purchase, these devices. But the problem was with the newly released on 4K Plus streaming device, it was a hit and miss. Some of us was able to get 1 or 2 or maybe up to 4, and some of us was just not fortunate to get any at all. So some changes came out within the last 24 to 48 hours. Now we got some good news, folks. Again, you're going to want to share this and get everybody on board, all right? So if you go to walmart.com, as you see right here, you go to walmart.com, guys, I'm telling you, here it is right here. I'm on walmart.com, and then if you put in on 4K Plus, you are now seeing this device online where you can click on it and you can see if it's in your area. Now, within the last 3 days to about a week, we all know the blue box was not online. All right, we had to physically go into the store, and believe me, I saw so many comments where people were going to the stores, and I even read that somebody went up to like 20 different Walmarts and none of the Walmarts in their area had them. Well, we got the good news right here, so you should be able to go on there. All right. Now this one already says on Google TV 4K Plus is out of stock, but then when you go over here, at least in my area, I can pick up tomorrow or I can get it delivered tomorrow. All right. So definitely get online, and that way you see it. I mean, it's straightforward, guys. This is good news for everyone. All right. Really, the people who been looking for this device. Please let me know if you found it, if it's in your area. Please leave it in the comments. Let me know how you like this device compared to some of the other budget devices, under 50 bucks. So again, to get this device, it runs smooth. You will like it. And, it got, it's good for what it is. All right. It's going to get the job done. So I look forward to hearing from you. Again, thumbs up the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon, do all of that, share, and we'll go from there. So again, the on 4K Plus is now available for you to purchase online for pickup or delivery. I'll talk to y'all later, guys. Peace.